Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel for pocket watch enthusiasts. In today's video, I present an elegant pocket watch with a cylinder escapement featuring a beautifully decorated movement with an engraved figure. As a special extra, this piece also includes a built-in compass. Stay tuned until the end to learn how the cylinder escapement works, as well as its advantages and disadvantages compared to the lever escapement. The cylinder escapement is an old type of escapement used in pocket watches and thin pocket watches. Instead of a lever/pallet fork, as in the lever escapement, it uses a cylinder, a small cylindrical part mounted on the balance staff, with a slot, groove, that interacts directly with the teeth of the escape wheel. It is a direct impulse escapement. The escape wheel delivers impulse to the balance through the cylinder. How it works: cycle phases. Each oscillation goes through 3 steps: locking, unlocking/impulse, drop. 1. Locking. A tooth of the escape wheel rests against the outer edge of the cylinder. While the balance oscillates, the cylinder holds the wheel locked for a moment. 2. Unlocking and impulse. As the balance turns, the cylinder's slot lines up with the tooth. The tooth enters the slot and pushes against the inner wall of the cylinder, giving a direct impulse to the balance. 3. Drop. After the impulse, the tooth leaves the slot and the wheel drops until the next tooth is locked on the opposite side of the cylinder. The cycle repeats in the opposite swing. Characteristics. Direct impulse allows thin/flat watch movements. High friction and wear compared to the lever escapement. Lower efficiency and precision, sensitive to lubrication and shocks. Simpler construction, common in early thin pocket watches. Advantages. Enables very flat watch designs. Mechanically simple and compact. Historical and collectible interest. Disadvantages. High friction, frequent lubrication needed. Considerable wear on cylinder and escape wheel teeth. Less shock resistant. Less precise than the lever escapement.